Вот, видите? Вот это база канатки. А мы с вами идем вот сюда. Чуть-чуть левее. В беседку 7 ветров. А это, кстати, спорткомплекс Олимпийский, где тренируются наши спортсмены прекрасные. И вот сколько нам сегодня предстоит пройти. Дан-дан-дан. Hi kittens, it's Painterkot here as always, and today I'm in unusual location. Here I am at the mountain Malое Седло in Kislovodsk, and I decided to have some plein air today. And of course, as this is a new format for my channel, I want to make something new that I never done before here. So today I'm gonna start my new sketchbook. It's similar to Moleskine, but it's a little bit different. It has this rubber band, but it doesn't have the pocket at the back side, but it has creamy yellow pages, almost as Moleskine, but a little bit more lemonish. But it doesn't matter because the thickness of the paper is amazing for this price. It was, I don't know, less than $10, maybe $6 or $7 in our local bookshop. So I want to test this sketchbook, but today I have an unusual materials for me. So today I have my regular Micron pen 005. What's unusual? The next will be unusual for me. Yes, I have my gel roller ball pen, black, and this one is also black, but this is from $1 store, this is from Dominican, from art and craft store, and I want to test them out on this paper. And also I have my eraser. I don't actually remember, maybe it is Kohinoor, I don't know. So this little tiny thing, but also I have some pencils, and they are from $1 store, and I think I showed them in one of my previous videos, and they were great for their price. So yeah, today I'm gonna start a new thing on my channel, and I hope to make this like on regular basis maybe. So today I start my plein air routine, but you know, like it's kind of stupid to start something on, you know, like on the air, but because winter is coming. But I hope I can handle it because we have really warm winter, and yeah, as you can see today it's really warm, and I feel myself like really sweaty, because not only because I climbing 5 kilometers here, But it's mostly because it's really hot right here, and I think I can get some tan today, maybe a sunburn. So yeah, let's get started and wish me luck, guys. I hope this is work because I want to make some color sketch and then line with my ball pen. Oh my god, I never did something like that, so yeah, wish me luck. Let's jump into the video. So guys, this is it. This is my first plein air in this year. I know this year is going to end soon because right now it's the middle of November, but what can I do? Yeah, I'm not familiar with logic this year, so yeah, I'm quite happy how it looks, but I don't think that it was like really great idea to include some blacks in it, but this pencil can't give me that depth that I need because it is not like really red, it's kind of pink, and I forgot about it because it's a cheap pencil. So but I'm not mad, yeah, you know, like the weather is quite good, so yeah. And right now I need to go because I have almost 5 kilometers to my home, so yeah, I need to go back, and that's why I have to finish this video. And yeah, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you like this kind of format this plein air thing, write me in comments, and yeah, think I choose some new space for making some sketches. And yeah, hope you have a great day and bye!